Let's welcome Saskay.
My real name is Saskay.
Saskay!
Having both Yusuf and J. Paul admitting to liking me, it's making me feel very, very uncomfortable. My nights are cold without your love. Me, I'm celibate. Whoever is coming, know that I am celibate. Now, when you look at a lion, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Strength, courage, unbeatable. Rapper with a skill untestable, rich and famous, non-negotiable.
Finally, Saskay, and we were rewarded with a sum of $1,550,000!
Saskay, you have each won the sum of 2 million naira.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to